Hello students, in this class we are going to discuss what is one function and onto function, and after that bisective function. These three definitions we are going to discuss here and their properties. First of all, one function, it is another name is for this injective function. One function or injective function. See, you know already function definition. Here f is a function from a to b. First of all, f is a function from a to b, and here different elements in a. See, this is a function. A is called domain, b is called codomain. See, different elements in a having different images in b. Different elements in a means domain. These are elements 1, 2, 3 given elements. I am taking here a, b, c, d. Different elements in a, these are different images. Here, see, observe this. These are called codomain. Elements a, b, c, d are elements in. This is b is known as codomain. 1, 2, 3 domain. Here images we are drawing like this. This is 1a, 2b, 3c. See, observe this. If you observe the diagram here, different elements 1, 2, 3, they are having different images in b. Image of 1 is a, image of 2 is b, image of 3 is c. That's why this type of function is called. First of all, it is a function. This is one of the case of a one function is one of the case of the function. See, different elements in a having different images. That's why the function f is called here f from a to b is one function here. One function, or we can say as injection or injective function. See, not only like this, we can take, I am taking another definition, another example here. Tell me what about this. F from a to b, 1, 2, 3, I am writing a, b, c, d. See here, image of 1, a, 2, 3, b. See what is this? Different elements, 2, 3, but having same image. That's why it is not a function. Here, actually definition is what? Different elements in a. Different elements in a must having different images in codomain b. But here different elements 1, 2, 3, but having same image. That's why f is not one function. In this example, f is not one function. Next, I am taking another way here. See, another example. F from a to b, 1, 2, 3, 4, a, b, c. Clearly here 1a, 2b, 3c. Is it 1 or not? Clearly observe this here. There is no 4 is not associated with any element in b. Basically, it is not a function. Function means every element in a having associated with a unique element in b. Every element in a is associated with a unique element in b, but 4 is not associated with any element in b. That's why basically it is, first of all, it is not a function. It is not a function. F is not a function. F is not a function. I am taking another example. F, A, B. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. 1C, 2B, 3A. What type of function here? Observe this. Different elements, different images. First of all, it is a function, and clearly we can say it is one. Why? Different elements having different images. That's why here f is one function. Here f is one function. In this f is not 1, here f is not a function. First of all, it is not a function, but here f is one function. In this case, elements in A, number of A 3, number of B 4. So number of A less than number of B. So here number of A equals to number of B. Therefore f is one function means here number of A is less than, in this example number of A is less than number of B. In this example number of A is less than number of B. In this example number of A equals to number of B. In these two cases f is one function. Here number of A is less than number of B, but it is not a one function. In this case number of A is greater than number of B, but in this case f is not one function. Not only like this, one more way also you can define. Number of A greater than number of B case, I am taking one more diagram. F A B 1 2 3 4 A B C. For example, I am drawing like this: 1A, 2B, 3C, 3B, 4C. Is it one or not? Easily you can say, is it function? First of all, it is a function. Why? Every element in A is associated with a unique element in B. That's why it is a function. But here different elements 2, 3 having same image B. That's why clearly f is not a one function here. F is not one function. In this case also, number of elements, if you observe that number of elements in A is greater than number of B. So you have to conclude one point here. When number of A is greater than number of B case, f is not one function here in these two cases. F is a one function means always number of A must be less than or equal to number of B. Number of A is less than number of B, number of A equals to number of B. That's why f is one means number of A must be less than or equal to. Number of A is greater than number of B means we can't make one functions using this diagram. Okay, so therefore, right. So next I am going to discuss one of the note. This is a definition of one function, and after that note or injective function. Note 1, number 1. Note 1. See, f from A to B is one function, implies number of A must be less than or equal to number of B. Number of A less than number of B case, f is 1. Number of A equal to number of B case also, f is 1. But number of A greater than number of B, we cannot write as one functions. So therefore, number of one functions equals to 0. Note 2. If number of A greater than number of B, then number of one functions equals to 0. Whenever number of A values is greater than number of B, we cannot make the diagram as one function. Therefore, number of one functions always 0. Okay. Now, how to find number of one functions? Number of A is less than or equal to B case, we can find out. We can write as one functions there, but how many number of one functions we can find using the same example. Number of one functions. Next note. Note 4, note 3. See, number of one functions f from A to B. If number of A equals to number of B, let f from A to B is one function, one function, and if number of A equals to number of A equals to M, comma, number of B equals to N, elements in A M, elements in B N, then number of 1 functions from A to B equals to formula number of BP number of A. P means permutation here, or this can be written as number of B is N, number of A is M, so NPM. This expansion is n factorial by n minus m factorial. This is the formula which is useful to find out number of 1 functions. For example, in the previous example, using diagrams we cannot identify how many functions we can make. Same example I am taking 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D. This is one of 1 function. 1A, 2B, 3C. Number 1. This is 1. We can do like this. Same example I am taking, same set of elements. We are making another type of 1 function by associating like this 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D. Here 1D, 2C, 3B. This is also 1. Why? Different elements in A having different images. F is 1, F is 1. Same example. Here F, A, B, 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D. Same example. I am talking 1B, 2A, 3C. This is another way. So and so on we can write like this. We can draw the diagram. We can make it as 1 functions. How many number of 1 functions? Drawing like this means this is the formula. Using this example easily we can identify. We can't draw all the diagrams here on the board. That is difficult. So using this formula we can identify number of 1 functions from A to B. Here in this example, how many elements are there? Number of A equals to, here number of A functions, how many in this example? A, 3. Number of A equals to 3. And then number of B equals to 4. Number of elements in P. So number of 1 functions formula, number of 1 functions. Number of 1 functions equals to, number of 1 functions equals to, our formula is number of BP, number of A. Number of B, P means permutation, number of A. So 4, P, number of A is 3. P means permutation, permutation is nothing but here arrangement, but here I am writing just formula here, you have to remember. This is actually second year topic, permutations and combination. In that topic we will discuss clearly what is P, why you are writing like this formula. Okay, just remember NPM or NPR, n factorial by n minus m factorial. Here 4P3 formula, 4 factorial by 4 minus 3 factorial. 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 4 minus 3 means 1 factorial. So this is 24 by 1. So 24. So number of 1 functions for this example. Then set A containing 3 elements, set B containing 4 elements. How many number of 1 functions we can find out means 24 functions we can draw. How many diagrams are possible like this means 24 diagrams. So but we can't draw all the 24 diagrams on the board. That will be difficult. We will get confusion. So therefore using this formula we can identify number of 1 functions from A to B. Then number of A equals to M, number of B equals to N, number of 1 functions from A to B equals to, this is the formula using this example. Okay, this is note number 3. Next, note 4, very important. Note 4. See, theoretically, how to show the given function is one function. Diagrammatically, I gave definition already. Different elements in A having different images in B. Theoretically, how to show the given function is whether it is 1 1 or not. Here, f from A to B is 1 1. Implies and implied. Theoretically, how to show the given function is 1 1 means I am writing the formula here. A is your domain, B is called codomain. Select two elements in the domain. Let A1 comma A2 belongs to A, and we have to assuming that f of A1 equal to f of A2. That implies if you get A1 equals to A2, that means when images are equal implies elements are equal. F of A1 means image of A1, f of A2 means image of A2. When images are equal, elements are equal, then the function is indirectly 1 1 function. Exactly previous definition opposite. I am taking here how to show whether the given function is 1 1 or not means first we have to select two elements in the domain and we have to assume that both the images are equal. After that, if you prove like this, A1 equal to A2. If you start with f of A1 equal to f of A2, we have to start with f of A1 equal to f of A2. Some calculations after calculating all these cases, after if you get like this, A1 equal to A2. How to start 1 1 means first we have to select two elements in the domain. A is domain here. So and then we have to take images are equal, you have to select. After that you have to show A1 equal to A2. Images are equal implies elements are equal means indirectly they are 1 1 function. The given function is 1 1 function. See, for example, A1, A2. See, this is the diagram for understanding purpose. AB. Elements I am taking here A1, A2. Image of A1 with respect to F is F of A1. Image of A2 with respect to F is F of A2. Here we have to show, first we have to select two elements in the domain A1 comma A2 belongs to two different elements here. We are assuming that the images are equal implies if you prove like A1 equals to A2. First we have to assuming that assume that f of A1 equals to implies if you prove like this A1 equals to A2, then f is 1 1 function. This is theoretically how to show. Without diagram we can prove using this formula. Okay. Next, one more method is there to prove the given function is 1 1 function. I am going to write that formula also once again. Note number 5. F from A to B is 1 1 implies and implied by, how to start, right? Let A1 comma A2 belongs to A and we have to assuming like this. Different elements. A1 is not equal to A2 implies if you get like this. F of A1 is not equal to F of A2. Both are same. That means according to definition, different elements A1, A2 are different. Images also different. Image of A1 is f of A1. Image of A2 is f of A2. Images, elements are not same. Images also not same. That means f is a 1 1 function. Anyway we can prove. Generally we are going to use this formula in our problems. First we have to assume images are equal implies elements are equal, or elements are not same, images are not same, then only f is 1 1 function. Implies and implied, both the way correct. LHS to this, RHS to this. Both ways are this statement is true. Okay, here also same. Using this one of the example you can understand Why you are writing this formula? Example, f from z to z is defined by f of x equals to 2x plus 3 for all x belongs to z. I am saying that is 1 function. 1 function. Why? I am saying that what? This is the function. Z is domain, codomain also z here. Okay, f of x is like this, like this is linear function, mx plus ax plus b form. F